What's up everyone? It is Jason and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you two things that Crate Hackers does not do. So if you're someone that is on the fence or considering incorporating the Crate Hackers workflow into the way you work as a working DJ, I made this video to warn you of what you can and cannot do with this incredibly cool platform. And I'm also going to share with you some nuggets on how I use this technology to level up and make my life a lot easier and a lot better in the working world of wedding entertainment as a wedding professional, a DJ. That's it. It's right here. There's a comment that I received and it was like, well, I wouldn't consider Crate Hackers because it doesn't do bulk downloads. And spoiler alert, Crate Hackers is not a music resource. It's not a music reservoir. It doesn't give you access to edits or remixes. It just basically tells you the edits or remixes that are in a list or in a crate that someone may have used or that has been put together on it if you're looking for that. And you know, the point of this platform is so that you could scan your music library that you have, your edits, your music, your style of play, and you could look at the songs and you could check off edits that make sense for the event that you have on deck, and that you export those songs to a crate, essentially expediting and efficiently expediting your prep process. So like, how do I use this in the context of a wedding? Well, if I'm working with a couple, they might give me a playlist that they've put together in Spotify. I take that link that is shareable and I bring it into Crate Hackers. I drop it in the Spotify import tool. It then scans my entire music library that's in my existing Serato, and it tells me for each song, artist, title, song, right? It tells me the different edits that I have available. So like, in the context of doing someone's wedding, if I know I'm going to be playing a ton of disco and the parents are into dance music and the couple wants it to be more like EDM based or whatever, I'm going to look for more clubbier edits or more disco-y edits or just more upbeat edits of certain songs, as opposed to maybe like chill out edits or down tempo edits. And you know, it's useful. So like, let's just say a couple is interested in incorporating some 50 Cent, but they don't want to do like the OG versions. They want to do like the James Hype version or whatever remix version that exists. This tool will let me look through my database that's existing on my computer and in my Serato. It'll allow me to search through the content. If I don't have the specific version, I can find either a similar version or I can link this tool to the music resources like Direct Music Service, like Club Killers, like any promo only, any of the other ones that exist that they have partnerships with, and I could go log in essentially through Crate Hackers, access that music download through the resource, the music download resource that I'm a member of, and I can download it and it will be imported to this crate that I'm going to export when I'm done going through all of the music. The point here, this is a super tool that doesn't do like crazy magic. I, as a DJ, would never want to do a bulk download because I don't want to put more shit in my music library that needs to be there. I don't want to import duty edits of duty songs that I might only play for this one event that I have on deck, as opposed to looking through music that I know works, that I know crushes, that works with my style of play, and it allows me to pick those edits so I can incorporate it my way versus just any generic way. The cool thing about this tool is it gives you options, and I think that's the magic of it, right? I don't have to just pick one edit. I could pick 5 different edits, and for wherever I land during that party, I could just drop that in because all of these things are going to be exported to a crate when I'm done. So that's like one big thing. I think, you know, a lot of people ask, oh, well, can I get music? It's expensive for not having music. You know what's expensive? When you have to do this song by song, search your Serato, pick the song, then go to the next song, and you have to jump in and out of platforms, you have to copy things over. That takes time, and that's expensive. There are so many other reasons why I think Crate Hackers wins, not just as a networking resource, not just as an inspiration resource, but just think about the folder flattening thing, right? So like the folder flattener tool, which is in this platform, essentially allows you to go through numerous folders on your hard drive. It essentially extracts by copying the songs that are in those folders and dumps them into a brand new folder that you create and puts everything in there. Now, the thing that Crate Hackers doesn't do is it doesn't erase your original files. You're gonna have to go back and do that on your own, and that's gonna take some time. What it does is it copies everything over, makes a copy, puts it in a new folder, and it analyzes everything. It identifies duplicate files, and it helps you improve your hard drive. What it doesn't do is pull things out, mess up your existing crates, and dump things into a new thing without you having any say over what's going on with your music. So, two big things that Crate Hackers doesn't do in this video, and I hope you understand that. It's not a resource for music, and it's not something that's gonna break apart your existing way of doing things. You're using this to improve your life. And when it's time, when you don't have events coming, within the next day or two, you have the time to go through your music. And when you have time allocated, you do this. You don't just run through it and do it like random. You set time up and you organize your life and you organize your music, and it'll make you a better DJ. Two really important things that Crate Hackers doesn't do and does do for you. Anyway, I hope you understand that. If you want to learn more about how Crate Hackers can benefit you and your world as a performing event DJ, please drop the word hack in the comments below and I will send you a link. You get 14 days free trial on this software using my link, using my code, and jumping into this platform that is not a platform that you could just jump into. It's like secret Jason Jani access just for you, for supporting me and supporting the hustle here on this channel. If you have questions about the software, questions about the platform, questions about anything, drop it in the comments below. And again, if you want some more information on how you can link up and get access, click the link in the description or just type the word hack in the comments underneath this video and I will hit you back with a link whenever I see your message. Anyway, I appreciate you checking this video out. Crate Hackers is a super tool for DJs, and if you're not using this tool, you need to be using this tool. It'll just completely level up the way you work in the event industry as a working DJ. Trust me.